All right. Hello everyone, it's Julian Crypto. Last time we asked you a poll. We give you a poll in which we ask you what will be the Bitcoin price in the next bull market. And most of you answered that it will be 100,025 in 2025, so right here. Most of you answered that it would be that level. So my question is, if most of people believe something, what should intelligent investors do? I will answer this question and my point of view in the end of this video, but first let's look at the crypto news. There is Sushi Swap. Back on a Sushi Swap DeFi protocol led to over $3 million in losses. The approval function in the router processor to contract was affected, causing losses for users who swapped in the past 4 days. Sushi Swap head developer urged users to revoke permissions for all contracts on the protocol. A large portion of affected funds have been recovered, and the incident occurred amidst a non-public SEC investigations into potential violation of federal securities laws. Another article says that Sushi Swap's router processor 2 contract was exploited, resulting in $3.3 million loss from a single user, and the exploit only affects users who approved Sushi Swap contracts in the past 4 days. So if you did anything in the past 4 days on a Sushi Swap, go to the Sushi Swap and delete your approvals to their chain. Next piece of news from economist Jim Rickards, who warns that the US Treasury is the biggest threat to the US dollar's status as a reserve currency, as it has weaponized the dollar and frozen the reserve of potential of other countries, such as Russia. While many nations are moving away from using the USD for payments, the bigger threat is its potential replacement as a reserve currency. The records suggest that gold is the only alternative. China, Russia, India, Malaysia, and Saudi Arabia have made efforts to reduce reliance on the USD, and ASEAN countries have agreed to reduce reliance on the USD to trade settlements, and the BRICS nations are reportedly working on creating a new currency. Next piece of news, also from Russia, that Russia has become the second largest Bitcoin mining sector in the world after the US. The US is facing higher taxes and regulation, making it less hospitable for crypto miners, and Russia's mining capacity reaches 1 gigawatt in Q1 2023, and the Russian government will subsidize a new 100 megawatt mining center in Siberia. The global landscape in crypto mining has evolved since China essentially banned the practice of Bitcoin mining, and BitRiver CEO said that Russia's climb in the rankings come as the pace of mining in the US slowed by rising electricity prices and the abolition of tax incentives. And next piece of news is from Ethereum. Ethereum in 3 days will have its upgrade to Shanghai, and it allows users to unstake their Ether, potentially flooding the market and causing price drops. However, the increased volatility could benefit liquid staking tokens, and upgrade faces challenges managing massive withdrawals and potential glitches, but if successful, it has the potential to revolutionize the crypto industry. What you will do right now In 3 days, this upgrade will occur. Are you selling? Are you buying? Of course, we have to remember, buy fear and sell. No, what? Yeah. What to sell? Sell emotions. Sell FOMO. So, all right. Fear of missing out. But basically, the biggest platform is Ethereum. By the most used platform is BNB chain. Daily active users by blockchain, the most of them are still on BNB chain. It surpasses Bitcoin, Polygon, Ethereum. BNB chain is most used platform. Why? Because in my opinion, BNB chain use the same language as Ethereum, the same language as Polygon, its solidity. But it has tremendous differences than Ethereum. BNB chain is much cheaper, much more centralized, of course, but much more cheaper, much more faster. And Polygon, for example, versus BNB. BNB is working closely to Binance exchange, the biggest exchange in the world. So this is the two biggest advantages of BNB chain. First is that it's cheap and fast and use the same language that Ethereum. And second, it's used by the biggest exchange in the world. And these two causing BNB chain right now the most active by daily users on blockchain. And on Max Data app there are plenty of indicators and metrics which are suggesting nice moments to buy or sell. Like this one, which is analyzing on-chain data and which is analyzing Bitcoin price and exchange data. And look at this, moments of tremendously good opportunities for buying Bitcoin. And if we do it on a lower interval, we will also see this moments when the price went down and it was really nice time to accumulate Bitcoin. Also, I told you that you think, most of people believe that the top of the bull market would be around $125,000. Most of the people believe that. So, if most of the people believe that, how the market will sell their Bitcoin? I mean, the whales. What will the whales will do? What are you doing if you know that somebody believes that asset like a Bitcoin will go to, for example, 125,000? We are selling higher or lower, or at the same level? So this is the first question. And the second question is, what are we doing if everybody believes that it will be in 2025? Are we selling later or sooner? Or earlier? So, adding this, maybe some intelligent investors, maybe some whales will start selling. Tell me in the comments, what do you think? But in my opinion, it might be that they will start selling earlier and lower. And the bull market might occur even faster. But what is your opinion on this? As usual, thanks and have a great day. Bye bye.